Hi, let's talk about increasing your inbound leads via text message by 260% through Connect's inbound web texting widget. As a reminder, texting is the primary way your customers want to be communicating with you, and that includes their first interaction with you that oftentimes comes through your website. For years, we've used web forms, email, click to call, and web chat. There are reasons why people don't like each of those options. Chat makes me sit on the website until the conversation is done. I don't want to have to call you, and have a big conversation with you at a time that I don't have 10 minutes. I don't want to submit a web form, oftentimes for the same reason, because then you're going to call me, and it's just not a great time for me to be able to sit down and have a full conversation. That's why we created web texting. Make it easier for your customers to reach you and do it in the way they want to communicate with you. On average, when customers take this live on their websites, they see a 260% increase in their inbound leads. So it's pretty powerful. And big reason for that is right here. 89% of customers would prefer to interact with businesses via text message rather than a phone call. So let's look and see how it works. We put this widget down in the bottom corner or top corner. You can put it anywhere on your website, and it looks kind of like a chat bubble, but when they click on it, it gives them a couple of options. Now, usually, this is an example if somebody has multiple locations, so they can select which location they want to communicate with, and then which department they want to have a text conversation with. Once they select that, all they do is type in their name, their cell phone number, and what their question is. Click send. That goes directly into your Connect platform, and you're having a conversation back and forth with that individual now. Really simple, really easy for everyone involved. Let me show you some specific examples from some of our customers. Here's an RV dealership. Again, they've got the bubble down here in the corner. How can we help? You can customize this message. I click on text us. Let's say I want to text sales because I've got a question about buying a new fifth wheel and I want to buy an RV and I want to learn more about it, make sure they've got it on the lot. I type in my name and information and I'm able to start that conversation easily. This is a fertility clinic for you healthcare providers out there. I can click on this down here again. They have multiple locations, so those options are available to me. Let's say I live in Murray. I click on Murray. They have a variety of different options on here. Let's say I just want to request a new patient visit. This is my first time. I click here. I type in my information and request that time. Here's a law firm. This is an interesting one because a lot of times they'll put in here for the specific lawyers to be able to be contacted directly, or potentially just a receptionist, whatever the case may be. Now, here's a school. A lot of times they're more focused on the admissions side and being able to capture that initial conversation of somebody that's interested in learning more about the school. Here in this option, you've got an admissions office, a business office, as well as administrators if you needed to get in touch with them as well. So a lot of options make it really easy and really fast for that individual to communicate with your business in the way that they want to. Okay. Now, here's what that looks like. When it comes into the Connect platform, here's just a variety of different options that I put in here. But the cool part about this is, yes, this dumps right into your platform, assigned to the specific department. So these were going into our marketing department. The selections that I made go right into marketing so that they can handle that inbound lead. And it specifically tells me which page they were on my website when they submitted that form to start the text conversation. So when I reply back to this is going to go straight to them, and we've got a text conversation going. Makes it really fast, really easy, and it's the way that your customers want to be interacting with you. Get in touch with us today. We'd be happy to show you more. Thanks so much.